Hello everybody, are you ready to create? Do you have your paper and your pencil? Today we're going to create a cross-hatching still life. First, for your 5-minute drawing exercise before you get started, you need to practice some cross-hatching. Cross-hatching is very simple, it's just parallel lines in one way and then at another angle on top of it. By making them really close together, you can create tone by making it darker or lighter. And you can create volume by curving your lines in the direction of the object you're trying to show, which is a little sketch here. Now you're ready to draw your apple. Have a look at an apple, either real or a photograph, and really start with a really faint outline. Once you've done that, you can start your cross-hatching. You can start from anywhere that you prefer. I've started with the stalk detail, and then very slowly build up tone using parallel lines. So I'm just looking at areas of shadows and trying to build up some tone there by creating parallel lines, so that's hatching. And I'm making sure they are hugging the apple, so that the lines are curving around with the apple. That's going to help me create some nice volume. And also I need to create a shadow. That's really important because you don't want your apple to be like floating in the air. You want it to be anchored on the page, and the shadow is going to help doing that. Now I'm starting cross-hatching, so I'm creating parallel lines at an angle from the ones I've done previously. Sorry for the shaking. So I'm doing the cross-hatching there to build up some tone and volume. I'm just doing it where I see clear shadows at the moment, the really strong shadows, and just building it slowly. You should take your time doing this because it just slowly builds up until you have your apple comes to life almost. And there we have our apple. If you feel up to it, you could do several apples and keep practicing. Thank you.